Okay, so this may not appear like very much, but I'm going to uncover it and you'll see what's going on. Just looks like a bit of snow right now, but there it is. May not look like much still, but you'll see. Oh yes, it's covered over with ice. We'll have to open it up. That's what happens when you leave it covered in snow. Bits of it freeze because the sunlight can't get in. If I'd made it a little bit steeper, would have been better for this climate. According to the math, the pane should probably be at the same angle to the ground as the sun is to the earth during the winter time. So let's see. There it is. Green leaves, cedar cuttings, grapes. So these are just sitting here waiting to plant out in spring. Currants are a little bit frozen. Shouldn't hurt too much. Some radish, rue. You can see there's a little platform made of sticks. That's to keep the green growing things off the ground. Soft soil. So if there are any gardeners seeing this, I thought I'd make this to show you. It's possible to make a relatively good greenhouse without heating, just by making a trench in the ground, some logs over the top, covering it with a pane of plexiglass. Nothing worse than that. Oh, sage overwintering. One of my favorite herbs. Good. So thanks for watching.